In China, the red-crowned crane is regarded as a very special animal. According to zoologists, individual wild cranes can live to be 20 to 30 years of age. For the Chinese, it is often associated with luck, fidelity, and long life. In eastern China's coastal city of Yancheng, red-crowned cranes arrive each year for the winter. Among China's extensive large bird population, it is known for its elegance. This graceful creature has white feathers, a red crown on its head, and a beautiful and elegant posture. Red-crowned cranes are monogamous. They have strict needs when it comes to their living environment. They will only breed where the natural habitat is friendly. Compared with their breeding grounds thousands of miles away to the north, the water here never completely freezes over in winter. It's full of food, and they can hide among the reeds. But this longevity bird, so cherished by the Chinese people, is endangered because its natural habitat is fast disappearing. With only about 2,000 left in the world, 1,000 of them migrate to Yancheng and overwinter each year in the vast wetlands here. This is the largest group of red-crowned cranes in the world that continues to migrate. Thanks to local efforts in wetland protection and scientific measures to better look after this national treasure, the number of red-crowned cranes is now rising. The Yancheng wetland has become a paradise for red-crowned cranes, ensuring the longevity birds enjoy a long life on this planet.